Hello friends, it's Julia, your go-to travel blogger. Today, I'm walking along one of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, and let me tell you, it's a paradise on earth. The crystal clear turquoise waters meet the silky white sand, creating a breathtaking view that's hard to describe in words. As I explore this amazing beach, I see people from all walks of life, families, couples, solo travelers, and even groups of friends, all enjoying the perfect weather and the stunning scenery. This place truly has something for everyone, whether you want to relax and soak up the sun, or engage in water sports and other fun activities. What's fascinating about this beach is that it's been featured in numerous travel publications and websites as one of the top beaches in Europe. And it's easy to see why the beauty of this place is truly unmatched. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next adventure.